I had problem in my kidney arteries. The arteries were narrow, so I had to put stent in my arteries. It was quite difficult.
So I have with me Master Alvi. I remember he came to me 5 years back. He had a very rare disease called juvenile Takayasu arteritis.
Hi, my name is Alvi. I'm 19 years old and I came from Bangladesh. This is my second time coming in Delhi Apollo Hospital, India. First time I came in 2021 because of, as Dr. Anil Khanna said,
Which is a autoimmune disorder which affects the blood vessels of the heart, aorta and its branches. In his case, it was both the kidney arteries. They were very severely affected. The left kidney artery was totally occluded, and so much so that we couldn't even pass a wire, so we had to go subintimally with a special technique and open it and then put a stent. And the right kidney artery was also very severely blocked, and he underwent a angioplasty with medicated stents on both sides. Now he's come for a follow-up. He's grown up to be a big 18-year-old boy or a youth.
well, it was a complex disease, but I'm especially thanked for Dr. Anil Khanna and Apollo Hospital for all the treatments they gave, every luxuries, everything was fine from A to Z.
ট্রিটমেন্ট করার পরে বর্তমানে 4 বছর শেষ করে 5 বছরের পরে আমি আবার দিল্লি অ্যাপোলো হসপিটালে আসছি আমার ছেলেকে দেখানোর জন্য। দিল্লি অ্যাপোলো হসপিটালে এসে আমি খুবই আনন্দিত এবং গর্বিত। এরকম একটা হসপিটাল এশিয়া মহাদেশে আমরা পেয়েছি, দিল্লি অ্যাপোলো হসপিটাল, অ্যান্ড আই এম প্লিজড টু প্রফেসর ডক্টর এনএন খান্না। থ্যাঙ্কস।